Wait, wait till she answers.
Now say it.
Now say it. Say it. What do you say?
I don't think we're going to get a lot of kids.
I don't think so either. Connor, what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very
I know
good.
one more house.
Thank you.
Connor, do you have lots of candy? You have lots of candy in there?
Connor.
All right. Wow. Sure to say trick or treat.
You're welcome.
Say trick
Happy
or
Halloween, buddy.
treat. Connor, you forgot to say it. Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Say thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Say nice do.
You look good, man.
Oh, this is the house that smells good.
Yeah. Say trick or treat.
Okay.
Say thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Hold it down and let him pick some out.
What's that?
Hold it down so he can pick some out.
Here you go.
Connor, come pick
Here,
some up.
pick a couple. Connor. Here, pick a couple.
No, it's not spooky in there.
You want a 100-gram bar? There you go. Just pick a couple.
Save some for the other kids.
Yep, you have to save some for the other children. There, very good. Good job.
Hi, how you doing?
Come on, let me show you.
We have Kit Kats. There's your favorite in there. Tootsie
Ooh,
Rolls.
Tootsie Roll. Say thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Sure don't want
Good
you
manners.
Take a Kit Kat. You like those?
There you go.
All right, say thank
Thanks
you.
very much. Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks.
All right.
I want my house.
One more house.
Isn't he funny?
I don't think anybody